Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get put a curse on you action for free in Heartopia game latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. I'm going to show you how the action looks like. So this is how the put a curse on you action looks like. It's fun. And if you want to get this action for free, you need to participate in this event, time travel rescue event. This one, Spark of Romance. Okay, and this is about the event details. Basically, you need to claim your daily role right here. Go to this totem and you can claim your daily role. I've already claimed my role for today. And after you claim your role, you need to link with another role to get the signal. Wait. And today I've obtained the circular link signal and also the square link signal. Once you collect the link signal, you can use it to claim this action for free. Put a curse on you, and I've already unlocked this action. Thank you guys, and that's how you can get the the put a curse on you action for free in Heartopia game latest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.